Good morning, guys. It's been a little while, so thought I'd give you a bit of an update on how we're coming along on the new shop. So let's just take a look around. The walls are pretty much done. So we've got all the walls up. Most of the power has been ran. Of course, anything in the walls have been ran. Again, this is longleaf pine, and what we decided to do is take some 3-inch material, cover the seam, use it on the floor as well, just to kind of dress it up a little bit. And we'll probably be doing the same for the top tall wall there. But from the other side, you see, gives it a nice finished look. And again, we'll probably put one more rail, you know, just at the very top. All the windows, doors cased out. As you can see, I'm already starting to bring things in for projects and getting some new tools in for dust collection. Got a shipment in from Rockler a couple of days ago. Again, dust collection and lumber rack material, things like that. We'll be covering all of that install. Still have to run my air for the air compressor. And there's a couple of 220 outlets that I still need to wire up. One thing that I do want to show you that I did, and I highly recommend for anyone that can build a shop from scratch, or a garage, finish a garage from scratch, is on your power box, if you're going to put wallboard up, create an access panel in case you ever need to pull more wire from the top, or if you need to change anything inside. So what I've done here is, when I take this panel off, this is a huge door that just swings open, and I have access to all of my existing wire coming down into my box, as well as access to feed new wire. We did get the center post up that we were talking about for running our conduit for electricity down. This is just sitting there, this piece here. Also, we'll be running dust collection. I'm still in a battle right now on whether to go with some 6-inch overhead. It is so expensive right now. And then reduce down to 4. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to have for a couple of pieces of equipment in order to carry the chips away. And we'll walk outside. I've been bringing in some more material. It's gonna be another hot day. But as you can tell, started bringing in more lumber, more equipment. It's my lathe I need to clean up, drill press. And then we have this monster here. This is my planer. It is a beast, but it's 3-phase. So I do not have 3-phase, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to generate a 3rd leg without installing a full phase converter. I'll figure that out. We'll cover that on here as well. Just getting my material inventory brought in, and really that's where that's where we're at right now. I think I told you in the last video we did get the security lights mounted. I guess my next biggest project is going to be the side room. Again, originally I wanted to keep my dust collector, my main dust collector, and my air compressor, my upright air compressor, in a separate room, just for noise control. Plus takes up, you know, less space out here. But I have to finish this room. This is also going to be kind of like a break room whenever I start getting tired, or I may make a spray booth in here as well. But on this wall, I plan to have my air compressor and my dust collection. And this side, I don't know yet. I may actually put a restroom over here. Pretty big room, it just needs to be finished out. Sealed up, finished out. It is extremely hot in this room with no insulation. But that is it. That's where we're at. Just thought I'd give you guys an update. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any suggestions, definitely let me know. And we'll get to it. But that's it. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, hang along for the ride, because it's going to be interesting. I have decided that I'm going to go ahead and probably put a air conditioner in here of some sort, because it gets hot and it will help with the humidity. You guys know that wood and humidity does not mix well, so we'll figure out a way to control that. But all right guys, have a great one. Till next time, see ya.